So now in all of this, mother-in-law, Mother India, finance, religion, festivals, sexual intimacy, children, कि children चाहिए नहीं चाहिए, where you going to stay और house rules क्या होंगे,
करेक्ट,
इंट्रोवर्ट और एक्सट्रोवर्ट को कैसे एक दूसरे से डील करना चाहिए, इन
Correct.
सब में से नंबर 1 चीज क्या है जो, मतलब अगर 10 केस आ रहे हैं, मैक्सिमम केसेस ये एक फैक्टर है जो ब्रेकिंग फैक्टर था, बाकी सब हम कर लेते, पर ये अगर
दो फैक्टर,
चलिए 2 फैक्टर्स
टाई हो गया वो,
जी
फोटो फिनिश,
जी,
मदर इन लॉ, पैसा पैसा पैसा,
और मदर इन लॉ फॉर द वुमन और फॉर द मैन ऑल्सो,
और फॉर द वुमन,
बिकॉज मैंने देखा है कि कभी कभी जो
जब वहाँ
इन-लॉज बहुत इंटरफियरिंग हो जाते हैं घर में, या बहुत ही ज्यादा फ्री हो जाते हैं, लेट मी फॉर लैक ऑफ बेटर वर्ड्स,
और बैक सीट ड्राइविंग, हाँ, नहीं, more for the daughter, because the husband may not fight that much with the wife's mother,
बट हाँ,
and finances.
तो ये 2 तो पक्का ही कॉन्वर्सेशन कर लो, अगर आप लोग शर्मा भी रहे हो शादी से पहले, ये कर लो। और डिवोर्स को किस लेवल तक पुश करना चाहिए कि यार ये रीजंस नहीं है डिवोर्स के, हम बस अभी हर्ट फील कर रहे हैं तो हम बात पे डिवोर्स का शब्द निकाल रहे हैं।
Divorce, though, firstly, you should not be having that conversation.
Wow, this is a divorce lawyer saying this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Because I said I'm pro-marriage.
Absolutely, ma'am.
You know, so don't just in every this thing कि अच्छा हाँ चलो ठीक है, divorce. What is this?
वो टॉप रीजंस बताइए कि अगर ये आपके साथ हो रहा है, फॉर फीमेल्स एंड फॉर मेल्स, 2 नाम वापस देंगे कि ये, हाँ, क्योंकि मैं एक्चुअली डिवोर्स के बारे में पूछ रहा हूं आपसे कि ये चीजें आपको टॉलरेट नहीं करनी चाहिए, आप जिस भी स्थिति में हो, आपके पास कहीं नहीं है जाने को, फिर भी ये चीज मत टॉलरेट करो, क्योंकि आप जैसे लोग हैं जो न्याय दिलाने के लिए हैं।
बिल्कुल,
वो सारी चीजें अगर आप थोड़ा सा लिस्ट बताएंगे तो पीपल शुड नो कि दिस इज नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइजेबल
फॉर अ वुमन। वुमन का क्या नाम दूंगी मैं? स्तुति।
If
you are in an abusive marriage, please do not tolerate it. Okay?
Abusive marriage.
And abuse can be physical, emotional, mental, and financial.
Okay.
More I am on the physical. Because आपका ना your self-esteem completely dies. And it is a psychologically proven fact. You get in an abusive cycle. You start identifying with your abuser. Because people say कि उसको मार पिट रही है, क्यों वापस बार जाती जा रही है? But in a way, she's become a victim. And she cannot break out of that chain.
तो वो comfort zone हो जाता है उनका।
वो comfort zone.
She feels कि this is my normal.
And what will I do without this person? I mean, of course, there are a lot of psychologists and psychiatrists who have spoken about it. So you cannot get out of it that easily.
This is a big no-no. Big no-no.
I just say, if it is happening all the time, no, but actually he didn't mean it. What do you mean? You got a gash on your head. What do you mean?
He didn't mean it. He 100% meant it.
And
even verbal abuses.
Verbal abuse is also beyond a point. You can't just be calling your wife the B word and the W word and
yeah.
You can't do that.
No.
It's unacceptable. Even in fun, it is unacceptable.
Yeah. Certain things, फन में तो बोलनी नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि फन के पीछे तो आपका मतलब होता है, और ये बात आप भी जानते हो कि मैं मजाक में बोल रहा हूँ, पर वो मजाक नहीं है।
वो मजाक नहीं है।
मजाक में मैं तुम्हें अच्छी चीज तो कभी मजाक में नहीं बोलता।
करेक्ट।
बुरी चीज क्यों मजाक में बोलता?
करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली राइट, या वेरी वेरी करेक्ट।
अच्छी चीज नहीं बोल रहा, तू तो बहुत अच्छी है यार, वो तो नहीं बोल रहा मजाक में।
तो ये क्यों बोल
रहे हो? क्योंकि आप बोलना चाहते हो, ये बस आप एक कवर लगा रहे हो।
सो डोंट do that.
Abusive marriages.
दूसरा के and I'll come to the man also.
जी.
So Ramesh का अगर मेरे पास एक किस्सा है, where one Ramesh was asking for an appointment and he said कि I want an appointment, मैम को प्लीज बोलिए। ठीक है, तो I said नहीं, मैं very busy. He said नहीं, मैं कितने भी बजे आ जाऊंगा? So I said नहीं यार, not today. So eventually my office, he said आप सिर्फ मैम को बोल दो, my wife is beating me. And I said, oh my God,
Wife is beating me.
wife is beating me.
Actually होता है, लोग बोलते नहीं,
Oh my
बोलते हैं.
God. I'm getting goosebumps as I say that. And he came. I said, ठीक है यार, जितने भी बजे आना आ जाओ. And he was such a broken man. Because एक तो आपको मार पिट रही है, आपका वैसे ही सेल्फ एस्टीम जा रहा है, प्लस सोशली ऑल्सो people don't accept that men get abused.
But होता है.
And I want to put it out there,
Please.
कि men do get abused and they must talk about it and they must seek help. Don't come in this society's thing that in any, big boys don't cry and men never cry and, क्या हो गया तू एकदम ही वो. It is true. And I asked him, he has 2 children, and I asked him, I said, कि क्या हो गया? नहीं ma'am, 7 years, 8 years हो गए. I'm just going through this. I said, why did you put up with it? I said, you're doing so well professionally. नहीं ma'am, एक दफा शुरू हुआ, फिर I thought she'll improve. I said, what does your sister have to say about it? He said, ma'am, I've not told anybody. And his children knew about it. Because they're saying, I said, how does she eat you? He said, she picks up pots and pans. And he showed me a few gashes. And I said, my God, this is unacceptable. And he was providing for everything. Wife was not working, he was providing for everything for her and the children. And he was just like, I could see him like, just shrinking in front of me. You know how you have a visual? And I just felt terrible. And then eventually we filed for divorce and, so on and so forth. But, and then I saw him blossoming. I gave him a few tips and how he kept on blossoming. And then he was chatting with a few people, and they kept on saying good things. Yaar, you're doing good, you're doing great. So, your self-esteem, because as a man to get beaten, in that sense, it's like a double beating.